Assalamualaikum and welcome to our group presentation. My name is Muhammad Zairul bin Khairin Nizam and we are from group 2 and we will be presenting our website development assignment for BRC 2393 Internet Technology and Multimedia. Our project is melakaexplorer.com, Melaka Tourism Promotion website. This is our team member for this assignment, consists of 6 members. About Melaka Explorer web development, it is structured into 6 main segments. First is the introduction, where we will set the stage by discussing the project background, the motivation behind choosing Melaka Tourism, and our core objective. Second is the website features. We will guide you through the actual page of melakaexplorer.com, showing you exactly what the user sees from our homepage and trip planner to our backend admin portal. Third is the website design and development. In this section, we will leave the hood to explain our development lifecycle, including our design principle, user experience choices, and how we structure the website layout. Fourth is the technology used in this website. This is our technical breakdown, where we will outline the specific front-end tools, back-end programming, database environment, and hosting platform that powered this website. Fifth is the benefit of this website. We will highlight the multi-layered value of this project, exploring how it benefits tourists, boosts local businesses, preserves cultural heritage, and how it serves as an invaluable learning experience for us as computer engineering students. And finally is the conclusion. Let's dive into our project background with the introduction. Our first point states that Melaka is a famous tourist destination in Malaysia. Melaka's rich history, UNESCO World Heritage status, and unique blend of cultures make it a primary choice for both domestic and international travelers looking to experience Malaysia's heritage. Because of this high influx of visitors, our second point highlights a critical need, which is tourists need easy access to travel information. When people travel, they want a seamless experience. They should not have to struggle with fragmented data or outdated sources to find out where to go, how to get there, or where to stay. To address this demand directly, our third point outlines our solution, which is this website provides information on attractions, accommodations, food, transportation, and events. By gathering all of these essential pillars of travel into melakaexplorer.com, we have built a centralized hub. Users can discover heritage sites, book place to stay, find local culinary spots, and also map out transport logistics and see what events are currently happening all in one place. And for our final point, which is the website promotes Melaka and improve visitors' travel planning experience. It serves a dual purpose, acting as a digital marketing tool for the state's tourism industry, while simultaneously giving travelers the organization and confidence they need to plan a memorable trip.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Sadia Fatia binti Ahmad Sabri. My metric number is B122510089. So in this presentation video, I will be presenting about the website features. First, I would like to explain the homepage of our Melaka Explorer website. The homepage serves as the main entry point for visitors. It provides a welcoming introduction to Melaka and helps users navigate the website easily. We included a navigation menu that allows users to access different sections such as attraction, gallery, and food. The homepage is designed to be simple, attractive, and user-friendly so that visitors can quickly find the information they need about Melaka. The website focuses on promoting Melaka tourism, attraction, and local culture. Next is the attraction page. This page showcases popular tourist destinations in Melaka. Users can view information about famous attractions, learn about their historical or cultural significance, and decide which places they would like to visit. The purpose of this page is to help tourists explore interesting locations in Malacca and plan their trips more effectively. Malacca is known for heritage sites, historical landmarks, and recreational destinations that attract local and international visitors. The gallery page contains a collection of images related to Malacca's attractions, culture, and scenery. This page allows visitors to visually explore different places before visiting them. The gallery makes the website more engaging and helps users gain a better understanding of what Malacca has to offer. Lastly, the food page highlights some of Malacca's popular local foods and culinary experience. Visitors can discover traditional dishes and famous food spots in Malacca. This page is important because food is one of the main attractions for tourists visiting Malacca. It helps users learn more about Malacca's unique food culture and encourages them to try local specialties during their visit. Malacca is widely recognized for its diverse food scene and local delicacies.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Lumah Hakim bin Kamel and my metric number is B122410060. I am from 2BERC section 2/1. Okay, so today I will present about website features in terms of a trip planner, and then context and tips, and then the last one, the administration. So for my part, I will present through the website for easy to look all section clearly and also demonstrate. Okay, so if the visitor get through the trip planning session, we can see here this is a short trip on our tentative that we will give to our visitor for estimate time, and then also activity that they can do in Malacca. You can see day one, we provide the heritage walk to visitor as they need to know Malacca is famous about heritage and the history. So we can see that 8 a.m. They can breakfast at Kedai Kopi Jawad. 10 a.m. they can go to Il Famosa. 12 p.m. they can go to Christchurch. And then 2 p.m. they can lunch at the Nasi Kitchen. And 4 p.m. they can go to Malacca River Cruise. And the 7 p.m. they can go to Jonker Street Night Market. Okay, so this tentative will be from the morning until the night, so the tourism doesn't have to make research anymore. We also provide the place such as Il Famosa for tourism to enjoy playing water park, and then they can shopping at the Joker Street, such a good place to shop market item. And then for the special part, if we scroll down, we can see the open route button. This, if you click here, it will bring you to the Google Map and all places we provide as listed in this map. So very easy to tourism to follow our tentative. You can see the address of all the places we provide. And then they can choose either they want to use a bike, Grab or anything. And then we go to the culture plus family fun. Okay, in this section, we provide 2 days for family to explore about culture in Malacca. Same as the short trip in Heritage Day 1, but in this case, we just told the tourism the place that family should go. And then for day 2, for family fun, so in this day, family can enjoy with Malacca Zoo or Bird Park. And then they can lunch in Menara Tabing Sari, that we know as the first gyro tower in Malaysia. And then for the last one, they can shopping in Mahkota Parade, the beautiful place for shopping in Malacca. And then also they can open the route map and can get access through the place. Okay, for the last day or third day, 3-day trip, they can complete Malacca experience. So for day 1, heritage and culture, they can go to Heritage Zone, River Cruise and Jonker Street. And also they can access the map. Just click the map and then they can scroll to easy to access where they want to go. Okay, for day 2, they can see the Malacca Park and we have the Snow World and Zoo Malacca in night safari. And then for day 3, nature and food. Okay, so day 3, they can go to Malacca Bird Park, Butterfly and Reptile Sanctuary, and they can try chendol at Joker 88 plus the shopping. And then we also provide essential travel tip to make sure the tourism are ready to travel in Malacca. We can see the essential tips that we give: wearing comfortable shoes, bring hat, sunglasses and sunscreen, visit on weekday, Tuesday to Thursday, download Grab app, carry cash, book hotel, and then use Google Map to navigate between the attraction. Okay, and the last one for the page, in the trip planner page, we can see the budget of travel. We have three categories. First, accommodation. Second is food, and third one is transport. We have three class that make tourism have comfort budget when they travel in Malacca. And then we go through to the second section. Okay, so visitor also can contact us with direct website. Visitor just need to fill the form name, email, and the phone number in this section, just optional. Inquiry type, we have a tourist inquiry, tour package question, feedback and suggestion, and report and issue. So we can see the validation. We use server side PHP. So we will receive the message through the PHP side, and for data storage, it will save in txt.file. And then if visitor enter the wrong message or not follow our policy type, it will appear error message. Also, visitor not only can ask, they can tourism inquiry, they can give package question, feedback, and the last one, they can report an issue lah. We also can see the right side, we provide advisory and tip for tourism. We can see whether in the Malacca, and then we give the prediction of weather in November, in March. We also provide the local transport such as Grab, bus, and Trishaw. Then we give the budget, culture, respect, and best time to visit. And also we give emergency number for police and ambulance. So if tourism see this travel advisory and tip, they can full prepare if anything emergency case happen. And then in this underside, we can see we also provide address, phone number, and then email to visitor to contact us if they are urgently. And then we can see the bottom of the section. We have follow us in the Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Okay, so if the follower follow us in this platform, social media platform, they can refer our latest update about the Melaka Explorer.com. And then we go to the last one, administration login. Okay, so for this part, only admin that can access to login with the username and password. Okay, before that, I will enter the username and then the password. Okay, so in this place, only admin can see all inquiry message submitted by visitor. So for now, we get 4 inquiry message and feedback, and we also have the statistic. We have the statistic about the total inquiry, latest update, and the first inquiry. And then we have a server status that we use now, PHP 8.3.19, and also admin can do clear message. Okay, refresh to view the latest inquiry. And then we make this in this website administration in this section because easy to admin to access the administration part in all device. So if we can see the message, that we can know all the details of visitor, name, email, and subject. So we also can know the number phone if they get. We can contact and reply them about the message they ask. And then this website are very flexible for user and developer. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Thank you. My name is Dinesh Sanong Supramaniam and my metric number is B122410040. So today I'm going to explain about the technology used for our website. So for our website, we use combination of front end, back end, and third-party technologies. Let me walk through each category. So first, we have front technologies. We use HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, AUS, Front Awesome, and Google Fonts. For backend technologies, we use PHP, file system, and sessions. And third-party services, we use Google Maps. And development tools, we use XAMPP. And finally, we for the hosting platform, we use Infinity Free. So let me explain each one, show you exactly where they appear on our website. So for the front-end technologies, HTML5, which is the foundation of our website. So what is HTML5? HTML5 is the standard markup language used to structure web pages. It provides the building blocks for our website. So we use HTML5 to create a structure for all 6 core pages, which is home, attraction, gallery, culture and food, trip planner, context and admin page. So for an example, for attraction page, we use div for the container for the card, image tag for the attraction image, h3 heading for the attraction name, p paragraph for the description, and iframe for the Google Map. So HTML5 gives our website semantic structure, which helps with SEO and accessibility. This means tourists can easily find our website and everyone can access the content. So next is for the front-end technologies for CSS3. So CSS3 is the styling language that makes our website beautiful. So CSS3 controls colors, fonts, spacing, animations and responsive design. So first, we recreated the brand identity with Melaka's color, which is red, gold, and this gives the website professional and heritage feel. So second, we added interactive effects. So when you over an attraction card, it lifts up and smooth the transmission. This is done with CSS transition and transform properties. So next, we move on to front-end technologies for JavaScript. So JavaScript is the technology that adds interactivity to our website. So JavaScript is a programming language that makes web pages interactive and dynamic. So first, you can see the slideshow on the home page here. So the images change automatically every 4 seconds. This is powered by JavaScript set interval function. So the second, when we go to gallery pages, we have added category filtering. So when, for example, we click on heritage, the only heritage photo will be appeared. So this is JavaScript hiding and showing elements based on their category. Next, moving on to additional tools for the front-end technologies, we use AOS, which is animated on scroll library. So here, see how the cards flips and fade in the as we scroll. So that is AOS. It triggers animations when elements come into view. So this makes the browsing experience more dynamic and professional. So next, we are going to move on to backend technologies. So backend technologies that power our website behind the scenes. So what is PHP? PHP is a server-side scripting language that handles data processing and form submissions. So how we use on our website? So most important use is in the contact form. So when you fill in the inquiry and submit it, the PHP will receive the data, validate it by checks the name, email, subject and the message. Save it to the text file and shows a success message. Next, we move on to file system. So file system storage is how we store the inquiries. So instead of using database, we save data in simple text form. So all the inquiries are saved to inquiries.txt in the website. So next, we are going to move on to third-party services we use. So third-party services that we use is Google Maps. So in each attraction pages, we add Google Map card as interactive Google Map. So this helps tourists to find the exact location of each attraction. There are also direction buttons. If you look on Trip Planner, we also set the direction button for the user to see the direction for each pre-planned trip for them to look at the directions. So next, we're moving on to development tools. So for development tools, we use XAMPP. So XAMPP is as our local development environment. So this gives us a complete PHP server on our computers, so we can test the contact form and admin dashboard before we are going to live. So last is hosting platform. So hosting platform we use is Infinity Free. So why Infinity Free? Infinity Free is a free hosting website service that supports PHP. So how we use Infinity Free for our website? So our website is hosted at nakaexplorer.infinity-free.com. So it provides PHP 8x support for backend functionality, 5 GB storage for all our files, free SSL certificate for our security, and cPanel control for file management. So that's all. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum and good afternoon. My name is Hamafar bin Azmi, and I'll be presenting about website design. So let's start with our foundational visual identity. Our aesthetic is anchored by a very specific color palette designed to evoke trust and premium quality. The backbone of our site is a warm cream tone, serving as the main background. We contrast this heavily with a deep authoritative red for our headers and buttons, and elevate the entire look with gold accents. You can see a mock-up of how this harmony works visually on the right. For typography, we are utilizing the Poppins family universally. It is clean, modern, and highly legible. Our design isn't just about looking good, it's guided by 4 core principles. First is brand consistency. This color palette and typography must remain unified across every single page. Second is visual hierarchy. We use scale and styling to clearly organize content, telling the user what to read first. Third is white space. Our layouts are deliberately uncluttered, giving elements room to breathe. And finally, visual storytelling. We want to rely on high-quality images and video to engage users rather than overwhelming them with walls of text. The second one is color psychology. Every color choice was intentional based on color psychology. Red represents passion, heritage, and authority. Because of its weight, we reserve it for headers, buttons, and our footer. Gold signifies quality and wealth. It is our essence of color, used for highlights and icons to draw the eye. Cream provides warmth and comfort, which is why it serves as our main background. White gives us a sense of cleanliness, used specifically inside content areas, and forms to make reading easy. And finally, our dark gray provides stability and sophistication, serving as our primary text color. Next is typography. Regarding our typography, we have a very strict hierarchy using Poppins to ensure that visual organization we talk about. H1s are set massive at 3.5 rem for our hero sections. H2s are slightly smaller at 2.5 rem for dividing major sections. H3s drop to 1.8 rem for things like card headings. For the standard reading experience, our body text is set to 1 rem with a small 0.9 rem size reserved strictly for fine print and secondary info. Next, we talk about animations and transitions. We've implemented a robust animation system to bring the site to life without overwhelming the user. We use a fade-in to allow content to appear smoothly as users scroll down. Let me show you a demo. A slide up effect brings elements in from below to build momentum. We use a subtle bounce on taglines to catch attention and a gentle pulse on our logo to sparkle effect. Text and active states utilize a glow, while a scale effect is our go-to for hover interactions. As you can see on the screen, it is hovering. Text and active states utilize a glow, while a scale effect is our go-to for hover interactions. Lastly, our spin animation is strictly reserved for loading indicators. And finally, all of this ties into our user experience architecture. When users hover over items, they need feedback. Cards will lift, images will zoom slightly, and buttons will glow. We ensure smooth transitions between 0.3 to 1.5 seconds, providing a professional loading spinner when necessary. Our sticky menu with active page highlighting ensures users always know exactly where they are. This site is fully responsive, utilizing lazy loading for images, so it loads lightning fast on phones. We've ensured clear fonts, high color contrast, and proper alternative tags so our site is usable by absolutely everyone. So this concludes my presentation for website design. Thank you very much.
My name is Muhammad Hakimi bin Kamaluddin, and my matrix number is B1224100064. And now I will explain about the benefits of our project. So the first one is for tourists. The first one is easy planning. This website helps tourists to plan their trip easily by providing ready-made itineraries for 1 to 3 days. And the second one is a visual experience. The website provides photos and videos of attraction so tourists can preview the places before they visiting. So the third one is practical information. The tourists can find important information such as opening hour, entrance fees, maps, and official website. So the fourth one is local insight. The website introduces local culture, traditional foods, and unique attraction in Malacca. This allows tourists to experience the authentic lifestyle and heritage of the local community. So the fifth one is convenient contact. This website includes a direct inquiry form where tourists can ask questions as many they like. So the second one is for tourism promoters. The first one is digital presence. This website provides tourism promoters with a professional online platform to showcase Malacca's attraction. This helps create a stronger digital presence and reach more potential visitors. The second one is user engagement. Interactive features such as galleries and attraction information keep visitors engaged by browsing the website. Also, the third one is inquiry management. The admin dashboard helps tourism promoters track the visitor interest and manage inquiries efficiently. This makes communication with potential tourists more organized. So the fourth one is cost effective. The website can be hosted using free or affordable hosting service, making it a cost-effective solution for tourism promotion without requiring a large budget. So the fifth one is scalable. The system is flexible and allows new attraction, services, or additional content to be added easily in the future. So the third one is for students. So this project is learning experience. This project gives students practical experience in building a real website. It allows them to apply what they have learned in a real-world situation. So the second one is portfolio piece. The completed project can be added to a student's portfolio to showcase their skill and experience. This can be useful when they are applying a job or internship. So the third one is technical skill. Students can improve their technical skills by learning and applying web development technology such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP. So the fourth one is problem solving. During development, students will face a real challenge that require critical thinking and problem solving skills. This helps improve their ability to handle technical issues. And fifth one is teamwork. This project encourages teamwork. because students need to collaborate and share responsibility. It helps them develop communication and cooperation skills. So the next one is economic benefits. The first one is tourism promotion. This website helps to promote Melaka as a tourism destination, which can attract more local and international visitors. So the second one is local business support. By promoting local foods, hotel and attraction, the website helps support local business and increase their visibility to tourists. So the third one is job creation. As tourism grows, more employment opportunity can be created in many sectors such as hospitality, transportation, and tourism service. The fourth one is community empowerment. The website gives local communities the opportunity to showcase their culture and product, helping them benefit directly from tourism development. Next is cultural benefits. The heritage preservation. The website helps preserve cultural heritage by educating visitors about Melaka history and traditional for future generation. So the second one is cultural exchange. Tourists from many countries can learn about local tradition and custom, which promotes better cultural understanding. So the third one is historical awareness. The website highlights Melaka rich history of more than 500 years, helping visitors to understand its importance in Malaysian history. And the last one for cultural is celebrates diversity, where Melaka actually is home of diverse communities including Malay, Chinese, Indian, Peranakan, and more. And the last one is educational benefits. The first one is learning resources. The website serves as an educational resource where students and researchers can access information about tourism, culture, and history. So the second one is travel inspiration. The information provided can inspire people to explore new places and discover the beauty of Melaka. So the third one is cultural education. The website helps educate visitors about Malaysia's multicultural society and teach the importance of respecting cultural diversity. And the last one is digital literacy, where this project demonstrates how digital technology can be used effectively for tourism, promotion, and helps improve awareness of modern web applications.
So now I'm going to show you the full demo of our website. So our website link is at melakaexplorer.kesuk.com. So this is our homepage. Our homepage provides direct link to Explore Now and Plan Your Trip, and it also shows the main reasons why we should visit Melaka, which is rich heritage, amazing food, top attraction, and it also shows the statistics of history, delicacies, and tourist attractions. In the bottom, in the footer, we also provide the quick links, contact info. So next, we moving on to Explore Now. So when the user clicks on Explore Now, it will redirect to attraction place. So here we have included many main focused attraction places in Melaka. So for an example, for Melaka River Cruise, we also provided the Google Maps location. So when the user clicks on open in maps, it shows the location of the Melaka River. So it makes the user easier to find the location. So not only that, we also provided the official website link. So it makes the user easier to book the tickets for their trip. So we provide around 9 top attractions in Melaka. So next, we moving on gallery. So photo gallery consists of photos from Melaka, and also drone footage of the Melaka River and Heritage Zone. So we also provided filtering methods for heritage, food, nature, and night activities. So hereby the user is easier to find out the pictures they want. So here's the video that shows experience of Melaka from above. So next, moving on to culture and food. So here we provide about the communities of Melaka, which is five main communities, which is Malay community, Chinese community, Indian community, Baba Nyonya community, and Portuguese community. Next is about the culinary delicates of Melaka. We also provide the must-try delicates that are popular in Melaka, and also the traditional architectures that have in Melaka, which is Dutch colonial, mosque and temples, and Peranakan house. So next, we move on to trip planner. So trip planner here we provide 3 plans, which is 1 day express, 2 day culture plus family fun, and 3 day complex Melaka experience. So for the 1 day express heritage walk, we provide from morning until night. We also provide the Google Maps links, which shows every places, includes every place that the tourists can visit. So if you look on to 2 day culture and family fun, we also provided day 1. We divided the trip to 2 days, which is day 1 and day 2. We also provide the Google Maps links for day 1 route and day 2 route. Same goes to day 3 days complete Melaka experience. We have provided full 3 days route for the Google Maps. Not only that, we also include the budget travel guides per person per day for 3 categories, which is accommodation, food, and transport. So the user also can download the itinerary. It goes to a PDF file, so the user can save the PDF files in their phones. So here's the itinerary. So next, we move on to contact and tips. So here is the part where the user or the tourist can send us the inquiry. So for an example, when the tourists enter their details, so the details will be sent to the admin. So the final is for the access for the admin. So here is a admin dashboard. So the username should be admin and the password will be admin at 123. So when the admin login into the dashboard, here the admin can see all the responses from the inquiry form from the tourists. So here the admin dashboard contains clear all functions or refresh functions for refresh the inquiries, or if the admin wants to clear all the inquiries, just simply click on clear all, so the inquiries all will be clean. So not only that, you also can go to visit web page, so it redirects to the main web page. So that's all for the live demo for our website.
In conclusion, as web developers, we truly believe that we are shaping how people interact with the digital world every day. Developing MelakaExplorer.com allows us to not only sharpen our technical skills in PHP, CSS, and UI/UX design, but also to create a tool that can be meaningfully impact tourism promotion. That's all from us, Group 2. Thank you for listening and giving attention to our presentation.